and you are 50% less likely to develop bladder cancer. Doesn't that make it all worthwhile, drinking that water that your mother insists you drink? One glass of water shuts down midnight hunger pains for almost 100% of dieters in an American university study. Want to lose weight? Well, drink, and drink some more. You can live without food for 40 days, and without sleep for a lot longer, although you may get a bit grumpy. But without water, you may survive a mere 5 days. Water gives us life. We know water is precious, and that is why it costs more per litre than petrol. I know, I was surprised too. We hear in the news about